stop. Right now, in this very heartbeat, let the world outside become a fading echo. There is no clock ticking here. There are no debts to be paid, no roles to fulfill, and no past to regret. Do you feel that subtle, heavy pressure behind your eyes? That is the fatigue of a soul that has been fighting invisible battles for too long. But listen closely. The battle is over. You have just crossed the invisible threshold into the great sanctuary of light. For the next minutes, you are untouchable. You are being rewoven by the hands of the divine. If you can hear my voice, it is because your restoration has already been decreed in the heavens. Stay. Do not move. Let the silence find you. Breathe in through your nose, slowly. Count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold that breath. Feel it turning into liquid gold within your lungs. Now, exhale through your mouth, releasing every shadow, every tension, every word you were forced to swallow. Imagine your body is made of soft, translucent clay. With every breath, you are becoming more fluid, more surrendered. From the tips of your toes to the crown of your head, a wave of profound, cool stillness is washing over you. Feel your jaw unclench. Feel your shoulders drop. Heavy layers of armor falling to the floor, vanishing in the light. You are empty. And because you are empty, you are finally ready to be filled with the medicine of God. As the internal sun begins to rise behind your closed eyelids, a new color emerges. It is not the blue of the sky or the yellow of the sun. It is a deep, vibrant, pulsating emerald green. It is the frequency of life, the rhythm of regrowth, the signature of the Archangel Raphael. This light is not coming from the outside. It is waking up from the marrow of your bones. It is your soul remembering its original perfection. You are about to meet the guardian of the sacred journey. Prepare your spirit, for the physician of the heavens is now stepping into the sanctuary of your heart. Raphael, Raphael, Raphael. I call upon the Prince of the second heaven. I call upon the one who walked with Tobias, the one who binds the shadows and unlocks the hidden fountains of health. Can you feel the air growing warmer? Can you feel the subtle vibration of an angelic presence in the room? He is here. He stands before you, a towering pillar of radiant, crystalline energy. His wings are like vast curtains of white silk and emerald fire, spanning the width of your existence, sheltering you from the noise of the world. In his hand, he holds the staff of life. And as he touches the ground of your being with that staff, a ripple of holy, healing frequency expands through your very DNA. Visualize this emerald light now cascading into the crown of your head. It is thick, like luminous silk. It moves with divine intelligence. It enters your brain, smoothing out the tangled wires of chronic anxiety and fear. It washes over your memories, dissolving the what-ifs and the echoes of yesterday's pain. Now, the light descends to your throat. It heals the truths you are afraid to speak. It moves into your chest. Your heart is a temple, and Raphael is cleaning the altars. He is sweeping away the dust of old grief and the rust of ancient betrayals. Feel your heart beating with a new sacred rhythm, a rhythm of yes. Yes to life, yes to health, yes to the miracle that is no longer coming, but is already here. The medicine of God is now circulating in your veins, whispering your divine name to every cell in your body. We dive deeper now into the spaces where earthly medicine cannot reach. Raphael is the medicine of God because he operates on the unseen. He is entering the basement of your subconscious mind. Bring to the light that one memory, that one pain that makes your chest tighten. Do not look away. Raphael's hands are made of pure, infinite compassion. He is reaching into that dark corner right now. He is pulling out the thorns of the past, one by one. Feel the massive relief. It is like a cool spring of water on a desert land. The inflammation of your spirit is subsiding. The fever of your soul is breaking. You are being realigned. Your spine is being straightened by angelic hands. Your nerves are being soothed. You're no longer a victim of your history. You are a masterpiece in the hands of the great restorer. Raphael is not just the healer of the body. He is the patron of the journey. Look ahead in your mind. See the day that awaits you. See the challenges, the meetings, the decisions. Now, watch as the emerald radiance of Raphael races ahead of you. He is clearing the path. He is softening the hearts of those you will encounter. He is orchestrating divine appointments in your schedule. You do not need to struggle today. The heavy lifting is being done by the celestial realms. Your only task is to remain in this state of receptivity. Be the vessel. Be the channel. Be the light. Feel the certainty rising in your soul, a golden anchor of faith that says, I am guided. I am guarded. I am completely whole. The light is now fully integrated into your being. You are no longer just a person meditating. You have become a beacon of the emerald ray. Raphael places his palm upon your forehead. He is marking you with the seal of the divine physician. This mark is invisible to the world, but it shines like a star to the heavens. It signals to all forces that you are under the protection of the Most High. Dwell in this silence. This silence is not empty. It is pregnant with possibility. It is the same power that birthed the stars, and the power is now your health. The power is now your clarity. The power is now your absolute peace. Day 1 is now sealed. The seed of your transformation has been planted in sacred soil. But remember, a seed needs water and the morning sun to grow. Do not let the world steal this treasure from you the moment you open your eyes. This sanctuary lives inside you now. You must return here tomorrow. Day 2 is where the connection deepens. By the 21st day, the person who started this journey will be a distant memory. You will be a new creation, vibrating with the health of the heavens. Slowly, very slowly, begin to feel the weight of your body again. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. The room around you is the same, but you are fundamentally different. You are carrying the medicine of God in your marrow. When you are ready, open your eyes. Look at the world through the eyes of someone who knows they are loved, guided, and restored. Go forth in radiance. Go forth in Raphael. Amen.